I always like when I'm scrolling through social media,
Mhm.
at times I see news of celebrities passing away, but they are quite alive. I don't know why this happens.
Why is critical thinking important in the abundance of information? Like this day, whenever we want to see anything, we want to know the result. There are a lot of information on Google, on YouTube, Instagram, right? But sometimes critical thinking is very important because we get several information, but all information isn't right. Some are just really thing that you like believe on social media and you tried it, but later you realize no, it's not good for you. Like there are a lot of skincare products. I saw a lot of advertisement of Mama Earth, right? Mama Earth face wash, shampoo, and all. Then I also ordered onion shampoo. Mama Earth onion.
Yeah, yeah.
I just went to the Flipkart. I saw such a good feedback, and then I ordered it. Shashi, good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good too.
Okay, so what is your routine today? What are you going to do all day?
Okay, so no, wait just a minute. Let me set. Okay, so it's like a usual, but it went very smoothly and productive. So I started my morning with hot water. Then I went to the gym. After coming back from the gym, I just got ready, prepared breakfast. Then I got my baby ready for his school, and then after dropping him off, I completed all my chores. So now I am free and it's me time. So yes, I am enjoying this time. And first I thought, let's connect with someone so that I can get energy, so that I can start something else too. And that's why I booked this session.
Right, and how is the weather over there? Is it getting cold already?
Mm. Yeah, it's not too cold, but yes, our hands, legs, it's getting too dry. Lips.
Yeah,
We are feeling completely different, we can say these days. But here it's
same.
not too cold.
Yeah, even here as well. Like it's not very cold, but it's very dry, I think.
Yeah, sometimes even we don't realize what happened, why my skin I'm feeling too dry. So it's going on like this. How has your morning so far?
I just woke up, I freshened up, had my breakfast, and like this is my first session.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, this is my first session of the week since I did not have any sessions yesterday.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, it's my first session of the week as well.
Okay. So yesterday you were busy somewhere?
No, I just took a rest for a day
Okay,
since I
sometimes.
have the chance to do it.
Mhm.
So yeah,
Yeah, same thing. I also feel like sometimes we should listen to our body, right? We
yeah,
feel
yeah.
like yes, we
For
should.
like the reset to happen.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, and I think you take class session on weekend too, right? On Saturday, Sunday
on
too.
Saturday, Sundays, I completely take sessions on the platform
Okay.
because there's more demand on the platform. It's easier to get classes
Mm-hmm.
during the weekends. So I focus on the platform.
Oh, okay. That's great. You are a demanded. Sometimes I'm sure you must feel proud, right? Whenever you see there are a lot of demand of yourself. So sometimes.
Yeah, yeah. I do feel happy when my classes get booked quickly. So
Mhm.
yeah, I definitely feel good about it.
Exactly. Yeah, I can understand. Okay.
So
Uh,
last day you were saying that you had something in mind, but I asked another question, so we shifted to that.
hmm.
So do you remember what topic it was?
Yeah, okay. So today's topic is why is critical thinking important in the abundance of information? Like this day, whenever we want to see anything, we want to know the result. There are a lot of information on Google, on YouTube, Instagram, right? But sometimes critical thinking is very important because we get several information, but all information isn't right. Some are just rumors, some are not right, even some are good too. So, what do you think? Why is critical thinking important in this era? So, this is our topic for today.
Okay, I think it's definitely important to like have a clear knowledge of it, uh, whatever aspect we are going to do.
Mm,
And even I think we should also critically analyze our own selves sometimes, not
mm,
just any movies or anything that we're going to watch. Sometimes we should critically analyze ourselves to find faults, actually,
yeah.
to regulate if there are any faults within ourselves. So yeah, I think it's quite important in
Mm,
every aspect.
yeah. Even same thing, even I also feel like whenever we see anything, we shouldn't believe on that product on blindly, right? So it's very important to know where are you getting. We should know the source of the product or where are you getting. And the I think the main thing is that we should check it, we should analyze it whether that source is reliable or not. I think that is very important. Like if I talk about, like yesterday I was watching just reels and I saw they were saying if you drink lemon water throughout a day, it would cure of all diseases, right? But when I checked on Google, so it's not right. Definitely lemon water is good, but we should drink like once in a day or twice a day, like just
Yeah,
one.
like in the early morning. And
Yeah,
especially I think it's for people who are looking for detox
yeah.
or losing weight, right?
Exactly. So that is good for those people, but you can't drink throughout a day, right? It might can give you any harm effect on your body. So that's why I'm saying I think it's very important to know the where you are getting that result from there, and you should go just any reliable website. That is very important. And sometimes we should listen to our body too. We shouldn't force anything to do. I think that is also very important. And
Right.
have you ever faced anything that you like believe on social media and you tried it, but later you realize no, it's not good for you? Like there are a lot of skincare product, hair
Yeah, like
care.
I would say in terms of cosmetics, I think there are so many advertisements or videos that I'm like tempted to buy, but
Exactly,
the products are or doesn't always work for
exactly.
me. So I think those are the times I think that I should have been more careful or read more reviews about it, checked online. So yeah, I think.
Okay, so can you share any experience where you bought something and later you realize it's not worked with you? Do you
I
remember?
think, yeah, when I'm talking about like cosmetics,
Hmm.
right? So when I'm buying a particular shade of lipstick,
Okay.
and then it turns out to be completely a different shade than what
Yeah,
I saw online. So yeah, I think it's very disappointing because especially when I'm spending my money on it,
exactly.
I don't want that to happen. So share your experience as well.
Even it happened several times with me because products are good, some products are good. I'm not saying that is bad, but it depends person to person, right? Like the same product sometimes good for some person, and for some person it's really
It's
they get
different.
bad
Yeah.
effect for that. Like I still remember once I saw a lot of advertisement of Mama Earth, right? Mama Earth face wash, shampoo, and all. Then I also ordered onion shampoo. Mama Earth onion.
Yeah, yeah.
I just went to the Flipkart. I saw such a good feedback, and then I ordered it. But it wasn't work for me. After using it, I felt like my hair got too dry and it started hair fall. So I think so. My full water is just was going to waste. So yeah, it was like I wasted my money like this. But I think it's not my fault. But sometimes we should be a what should I say? Sometimes we shouldn't believe on anything. But sometimes if we try, then we know whether it work for us or not.
Yeah, and I think in these cases, if you have any doubts, you can always go for trial packs. Like a lot of brands sell trial packs. That is a small
Hmm.
packs. So you can always go for that first and then buy the bigger ones if you like it. So
Yeah.
that's also an option.
But sometimes it's not available all the time, right?
Yeah,
Especially
that's true.
if I talk about like a cosmetic product like a shampoo, moisturizer, so we have to buy a full bottle. Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Hmm. And have you ever seen any news that you realize later that it's a false like this? Do you remember an incident?
Any news?
Yeah. Any news or anything do you remember like this?
I always like when I'm scrolling through social media,
Mhm.
At times, I see news of celebrities passing away, but they are quite alive. I don't know why this happens on social media, but I'm scrolling and every day someone new has passed away, but they are alive. So I think, I don't know, it's so weird, but it happens on social media.
I think it happened also with me. I think once or twice, not every time. And yeah, like that, like I don't remember that girl name, like she passed away. And then I got to, later I realized that that was just for advertisement. She did this, like this.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So how do you buy any product? So if you want to buy any new product, so what kind of thing that you always keep in your mind?
I would first go through the ingredients. Like, I don't have much knowledge, but I definitely would like to go through the ingredients that is given in the ingredient list. Then I would look up videos for it on YouTube, right? So
Hmm.
I would go for skin tones of women of my same shade or same skin type, like videos that are put up. I will definitely see those ones, and still I'll think about it for 2 to 3 days, and then I think I'll finally give in to it and buy it.
Even same thing, even it also happened with me. If I want to use any new product, so I just first thing I just go to the feedback and where I get mixed kind of feedback.
Reviews,
Some
yeah.
yeah yeah, mixed kind of reviews. So some people say yeah it's good, some people say it's bad. But if I see it's like a 4 star and 4 and 5 star, then I also go to the YouTube too where I see where people share their review. And if finally if I feel satisfied, then after 2 or 3 days later, that was in my cart, then I am going to order like this.
Yeah, sometimes I'm really tempted to buy things I don't really need, right? So
Yeah.
in those times, what I do is I take time for 2 to 3 days. So
Mm,
eventually, in those days, my urge goes away of buying it, and
mm,
I don't actually end up buying it. So that works for me.
mm. Yeah, I think all girls are same. Sometimes we buy a lot of things that
And
we
we don't
really
need
don't
it.
need this. Yeah, we don't need this. And even for me, same thing happened with me if I talk about clothes. So whenever I go outside or in like any mall, so if I like anything, I love to buy from there. But whenever I need to fold my cupboard, to organize my cupboard, so that is such a big thing for me. And that day I realized I will never buy anything now. Later
Yeah,
again,
clothes
same
keep
thing happened.
falling off my cupboard
Yeah, same thing
when
happened.
I'm trying to organize. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, and I think whenever we search on any Myntra or any like clothes website, so I ordered it, and I really enjoyed shopping. But when time to come to organize everything, so that is really daunting task for me.
So,
Yeah.
like, do you prefer online shopping or offline shopping?
Hmm.
What's your preference?
Okay, so earlier I used to prefer offline. I love to go to market and bought something, whatever I wanted. But now I am completely changed as a mother, so I love to go to online and buy everything, whatever I want. So the best part is that online, if I don't like, I can return it and I can get
Hmm.
refund. So I think that is the best part. And second thing is that if you have a kid, so going outside buying something, it's really annoying. Sometimes they are not comfortable, like if I talk about my son, so he likes to go play zone, or that is comfortable for him. He doesn't like when I go for a shopping, he just running here and there. So that's why I prefer the online shopping.
Yeah, and I think like in online we get much more discounts,
Yeah.
which
Yeah.
is very difficult in offline shopping.
Exactly. Even I have the same thing. I have realized if you want to buy, especially in the Western dress like one piece and that the things, you can get online in a very reasonable price. But once you go for offline, that is very high. And what do you prefer, online and offline? And you are in a Calcutta, so there are a lot of market over there. So you can go.
Yeah,
I think in
but
Calcutta, people can get in a reasonable price too. Because
not everywhere, not everywhere. If you go to the proper street markets, there you can get in reasonable price.
okay. Mhm.
Yeah, so I think I go there once a year, especially like before Durga Puja.
Okay.
I go for offline shopping. But for the rest of the year, I'm doing online shopping. Like,
Mhm. Okay, so I think you also like online shopping, right? Most of the time.
yeah, because I get so many coupons and discounts and reward points. And if I pay online, there's also cashback that I get.
Hmm.
So that's why I prefer online shopping over offline shopping.
Yeah, and if you are doing offline shopping, so that time it's really difficult to return, return, and after that
Yeah,
get
like you
what
have to
you
go
like.
to the store and return it.
Yeah, yeah. So
That's also,
that is one of the difficult task. Yeah.
hmm.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
yeah, online shopping is definitely better for me. Easier.
Yeah, I think these days everyone prefer online shopping too. Even not for just clothes. If they wants to buy any grocery items or any kind of item, people just go like if I talk about like a phone, laptop, for these items, people go online and they buy it because again they get good amount of discount. The first thing and second thing they can return it easily too. I think.
Hmm.
Have you ever
Yeah.
ordered anything from online like a phone, laptop, so this kind of thing?
Not laptop, but my previous phone that I used for 5 years, I think, yeah, was bought from online store.
Okay.
So yeah, one drawback I would say I couldn't check the camera of it, the camera quality of it.
Yeah.
I could not check that. So now I prefer that phones I would definitely buy from offline stores because I need to check the camera if it's good or not.
Mm,
What
It's
about you?
yeah, I think same thing. All girls are same. Like if I ask you what quality do you want in your phone? So if you want to buy any new phone, so what quality do you want? I'm sure it must be camera.
Camera and storage, like these are the two most important things for me,
Mhm.
camera and storage.
Yeah, same thing. Even I also prefer if I want to buy my phone, so I would love to go to the shop and buy from there because there I can check everything. But if I order online, so I can't check there. So yeah, same thing. I also prefer it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I think we have almost come to the end of our session.
Hmm.
When are we meeting again? Sometime this week?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
So will you
so
be available this week or?
yeah, I'm taking sessions till Friday, like this time in the morning.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Have a
Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead.
yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.